Hello, this is A Gaming, ready to get your A game on. Playing some Madden 16 Ultimate Team. We're gonna get a couple packs to start off with. I've played it a little so far. I got a 72 overall team. Jameis Winston. You get Hines Ward for free this week, and last week you got Lawrence Taylor. So it's pretty cool. Each week you get a new elite player, but after that they kind of lose their thing. Like Lawrence Taylor used to be, I think, 87, but now he's 68 because that was last week. And I got Hines Ward yesterday, and he's 87 now, but he's probably going to go down to like 68 as well. Once that happens, I'll have to change him, just to let you guys know. But let's go ahead and open some packs. So I would suggest doing this because it's $1.50 to get 2 for 1 pro pack. So we'll get that and 2 pro packs, so 4 pro packs. Let's do it. Let's get an elite, please. Nice. Elite. Oh, wait, no, I already got the gold player, so I'm probably not going to get another one. Alrighty, decent. I'll probably be able to use him. Oh, sweet. Alrighty, not bad, not bad. I would have liked to get an elite, but, you know. Oh, this is going to be elite. No! Gafu. One más. Ultimate Freeze Jets. No shown. Oh, no elites. Oh, man. Yeah, not exactly the best thing I would have liked to have, but let's see how good our team is. If you hit Y, you'll get to pick change team style, change active lineup, or generate your best lineup. Best team overall. 75, not bad. We got him. We got him. Oh, sweet. New halfback. New middle linebacker. So that was decent. That brought my thing up by a lot. So not exactly too much of a problem. But this is a very short video, I know. What, like 3 minutes, 4-minute video? And I really just wanted to open a couple of packs and see if we could get lucky. Seems we got decent, and the next video, which will be coming out hopefully right after this one, will be a draft champions. So thank you very much for watching, and I will be seeing you guys later. Thank you.